Welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I've come up with a very simple, tasty and nutritious snacks or a kind of starters. You can introduce to your children if they like it, but for other Weight Watchers and other members of the family should definitely include this at least twice or thrice in a week. I am coming up with sprouted moong masala. I have made it into a masala kind of taste because I want when people have something, it should be tasty and they should feel like having. So I made it. I will show you how to make sprouted moong, that is Greengram, which is sprouted to a very tasty starters. So these are the ingredients what we need. This I have taken a 1 bowl of sprouted moong. What you have to do, just nicely clean the moong dal. Moong dal is the green gram, and soak it overnight. Morning, drain the water completely. Keep it in a sieve covered for at least 1 day, like 24 hours, or keep it in a muslin cloth tight and just keep it. So the sprouts will come, and it is much more proteinaceous and rich in amino acids and antioxidants. So it's really good for your health. This I have taken a small onion which is finely chopped. Here is 1 small tomato finely chopped. Here I have taken 1 green chilli because I have just taken 1 bowl of sprout. This is 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and finely chopped coriander leaf. Here I have taken rock salt or senda namak, that is in Hindi. And this is chaat masala, that's it, and little oil. I have lit the gas and kept a pan. Here I add 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil, that's it. You just need that much oil only. By the time the oil gets hot, let's just coarsely grind the garlic. I like it this way. If you want, you can just cut or finely chop the garlic and add it. I like this because the flavor comes out very well. Here we can add green chilies. I cut it little big pieces so that we can just remove it. If you want, just finely chop it and add so that the spice level also goes in it. That's as per your wish. Now I add the garlic to the oil so that the garlic flavor infuses completely into the oil. This is my dinner today. I don't want to have rice too much because when I am having tasty food, I am putting on weight. So I thought, let me just take care of my health a little bit. Here we go, finely chopped onion. We don't have to make it brown, just translucent is okay. Along with that itself, we can add the tomatoes. Just give a stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, this is after 1 or 2 minutes. Let's add the rock salt powder. This is considered to be one of the best salts as per the research. So I use it mostly for my salads and other curries as well. But even iodized salt also I include because iodine is also important, sodium is also important. So I add different ways. Yes. Now we add the sprout to it. Bowl. Just keep stirring. It doesn't need too much of cooking time. 5 minutes is more than enough. You can have it. 5 minutes you can keep the lid closed and allow it to cook well. If you wanted to make it more spicier or something, you can put little red chili powder, little pepper powder, whatever is your choice. But I like it this version, and it's very quick also and tasty. We can get the right flavor of the sprout. At this point I add the coriander leaf also. Chopped coriander, so that the flavor goes in. So let us allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes. You can either close it and cook, or else just open it and simmer in a low flame. Just allow it to. Yes. Wow, our sprouts are ready. So just after 5 minutes, let's add the chaat masala to it. No need to overcook it, because nutrition of the moong will go off. So just done is fine, a bite size, So this definitely will taste good. Let's switch off the gas and add less than a quarter of lime juice. Just after switching off the gas, so that the vitamin C is retained.
Oh Mama, what a nice aroma.
Oh wow, first time my baby is telling the salad aroma is good. So I'll make sure that she also have it. You should also have it along with me.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is ready to serve. My bowl is ready here. So definitely all of you should try it. If you haven't tried this version of Sprout Moong Dal, I'm sure you will like it. The chatpata and flavorful healthy starters or a whole meal.
Mama, nice aroma.
Thank you. So thank you for watching me. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and press the bell icon for new recipes. Till then, bye from Preeti. Try the moong dal recipe today. Bye-bye.